Compact, sleek, and built to fly like never before. DJI is once again redefining the skies, and this time, it's with a drone that's got creators buzzing worldwide. Meet the DJI Neo 2, the next evolution in smart, compact aerial filmmaking. Here at GadgetVerse, we dive deep into the tech shaping our future. And trust me, this one's got wings. So strap in, because the DJI Neo 2 isn't just another drone, it's a game changer. Main segment, Neo 2 breakdown. DJI seems to have perfected the balance between portability and power. The Neo 2 carries the soul of a professional camera drone, but in a size that can slip easily into your backpack. The headline feature? That brand new 11.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing a breathtaking 13.5 stops of dynamic range. In plain terms, your highlights pop, your shadows stay rich, and your footage looks unbelievably cinematic. You'll shoot 4K at 60 frames per second in full HDR with 10-bit color and D-Log M profiles, the same color science the pros use. Add rock-solid stabilization and horizon balancing, and every shot comes out buttery smooth and perfectly level. Smart tech segment, AI and flight performance. But it's not just about visuals, it's about brains. DJI is rumored to bring ActiveTrack 6.0 or even a new AI-powered subject tracking system, letting the Neo 2 follow people, vehicles, or pets automatically with insane precision. Perfect for solo creators, vloggers, and filmmakers who want those dynamic cinematic shots. No second pilot needed. Battery life? Upgraded. Expect 20-25 minutes of flight time, a major step up from the original Neo's 18-minute cap. And the best part? It still keeps under 250 grams. Meaning fewer flying restrictions in most countries, smarter flight modes, improved obstacle avoidance, and a potentially new O4 transmission system make this drone feel smoother, safer, and more connected than ever. Comparison and FPV segment. Enter the Avata 3. Now, while the Neo 2 aims at creators who want pro-level control in a portable body, the leaked DJI Avata 3 is turning heads in the FPV world. Gone are the bulky bumpers. This one's sleeker, faster, and smarter. With a redesigned body and repositioned battery for better balance, plus a rumored 1-inch CMOS sensor, it's built for clarity, control, and cinematic freedom. Expect 4K at 120 FPS, improved stabilization, up to 30 minutes of flight time, and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the kind of specs that could redefine FPV filmmaking altogether. Outro, wrap-up, and call to action. If these leaks are on point, DJI's 2025-2026 lineup could be its most ambitious yet, giving creators more power, more freedom, and more sky to explore. The Neo 2 seems destined to be the go-to compact drone for filmmakers, while the Avata 3 might just become the dream machine for FPV enthusiasts. So what do you think? Which drone are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below, and if you love drones, tech, and future gadgets, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive right here on GadgetVerse, where innovation truly takes flight.